Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the document and selecting the exact text showing a black background. Once selected, inspect the toolbar. Is highlight active or is it a text background color? If an image behind text is present, you'll need to select the image first. Next, use Format right arrow clear formatting to remove inline styles. This resets fonts and basic colors. Make sure to keep the text selected so you can immediately apply correct colors in the next step. If the toolbar shows highlight, click None. Now that formatting is cleared, change the text color and highlight. With text still selected, open text color and choose black or your desired color, then open highlight and choose None to remove highlight. If the issue is the page color, go to File, Page Setup, and set the page color to white or default. Apply to the document. If an image is causing a dark backdrop, select the image, adjust Wrap to in front of text, or move it aside. Alternatively, edit the image brightness in an editor before uploading. Finish by reformatting the text with your desired style. Select the text, apply a paragraph style, font, and color so everything is consistent. Once done, inspect the document on another browser or in incognito to confirm the black background is gone. If the black persists, copy the content into a new Google Doc. This often removes hidden styles. As a key troubleshooting tip, disable browser extensions or clear cache. Extensions that alter page appearance can cause stubborn.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.